Hi viewers. This is a quick video on how to conduct surveys using GS2Web SaaS add-on for Google Sheet. You will learn how to create a survey form, how to embed the form on a website. You will be happy to note that all data responses are automatically saved on your Google Sheet. Let us see how it works. I presume that you have already logged in to the GS2Web SaaS survey using premium subscription. For creating a new survey project, go to menu GS2Web SaaS and then click on the new survey menu. A pop-up will open for the name of the survey. Next, the next pop-up will ask you the number of questions your survey will have. After that, template for creating surveys will open. First thing you must do is to share this sheet by going to the top right corner and selecting Edit by Anyone with Link. In the first column, you must select what type of survey questions you want to create. There are three options: quiz, question, and rating type. If you want to put an image in your question, paste the full image URL in the URL column. Next, fill questions and options in the survey template. If your question is of quiz type, you are required to fill the answer column by referencing the cell containing the correct answer. If you want to redirect the user to another page, fill text and link fields in the survey template. Once the template file is completed, go to GS2Web SaaS and click Publish under the Survey option. Now go to Add-on, then Survey, and then click Get Links. The hyperlink for the freshly baked survey web app and embed code is automatically saved in the sheet called Link. Copy the iframe code and paste on any web page using the HTML view of the editor or in HTML, if the website is a WordPress. Once the page is published, the survey widget will appear. When users participate in the survey, user survey data will automatically save under this same sheet. That you can analyze using various analytical tools available in the Google Sheet. Isn't it great? Thank you for watching this video. Hope you achieved some valuable information. Please subscribe to our channel for tutorials for GS2Web SaaS.